A general math question, what is pi? And this is a question which a 7th grader plus must know. I have asked this question to several high class students, even the engineers sometimes. The answer that I get is pi is 3.14 or pi is 22/7. But this is not all about pi. These are the approximate values of pi. Now, what pi is? Pi is a ratio between the circumference c and the diameter d of a circle, written as pi is equal to c over d. If pi is equal to c over d, it is also true that pi is an irrational number. And what is an irrational number? An irrational number is a number that cannot be written in the form of p over q. Now here, my students almost always ask me this question. If pi is an irrational number, why it is written c over d like p over q? But when we define the irrational number cannot be written in the form of p over q, the next part of this definition is that both p and q both are integers and q is not equal to 0. Well, this q is not equal to 0 can be true here as well, but that d can never be 0 if there is a circumference. But now this matter of integers, is it true in case of a circle? So the fact is that when pi is equal to c over d, both c and d are not integers at the same time. That means if we take c as an integral values and make a circle with that, the diameter formed will not be an integer. It will be an irrational number. Similarly, we make a circle with a fixed diameter, an integral number. The circumference that it will form will not be a integral values. So in fact, what nature has given us in shape of a circle is such that both c and d are not integers at the same time. Now, remember and notice that since pi is equal to c over d, the formula for the circumference c is equal to pi d comes from this basic definition of pi. That pi is a ratio between c and d. So c is equal to pi d. And since d is equal to twice the radius, we write it as c is equal to 2 pi r as well. So some of you know this formula for the circumference as 2 pi r, or it is pi d. So this was all about pi. Since I had observed that most people need to know this, I have made this video for all of you. If you like it, press the like icon. Subscribe the channel so that you can get such informative videos as soon as I upload them. Thank you very much.